Hey, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Fleury, and in today's video, we're taking a look at the heel-toe double pedal technique so you can learn how to play double strokes. Let's start off with what our feet should be doing to achieve the stroke on the kick drum. In this case, with the double strokes, you want to send all the weight down on your leg into your heel and then tap forward with your toe. It's going to look something like this. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. When we move this motion over to the footboard, you're going to notice there's a slight difference in feel because obviously this floor is completely flat and our footboard is slightly angled like this under our foot. The motion's not necessarily going to change, like how we put the power down through our heel and then hit the second stroke with our toe. Going to change how it feels a little bit under your foot. Let's go over to the drums. I'm going to show you that same heel-toe motion, but on the pedals. And I want to also give you a couple tips and tricks on spring tension and how your bass drum beater should be set up so you're getting the optimal rebound on each stroke. Let's go and check it out. If you take a look down here at my pedals, I want to show you something. You'll notice right here that my beaters are all the way extended out of the pedals, and that's to allow the throw to be a lot greater. There's a lot more velocity going into the kick drum. What that's going to do is going to create a lot of rebound. Double strokes, you really want to play on that rebound because you really need the first balance to be strong enough. You want your batter skin nice and tight so that you do get a rebound, and you also would like to tighten up your spring tension. Just wanted to hop on quick here and let you know I've created a PDF exercise for you down in the description below. All you have to do is sign up and I'll send it directly to your email. Let's get right back to the video. Here's the motion here that we're doing over on the floor. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. On the first stroke, you want to push your foot flat onto the kick drum pedal. So you don't want to take your foot completely off, obviously, but you want to go and then toe, toe, toe. So you kind of get that rocking motion, but like I said earlier, it's going to be a little difficult and challenging because the slant and the angle that this footboard is actually on. Here it is at a little bit of a more natural tempo. You're looking to get nice, consistent strokes. Obviously, the second stroke is not going to be as strong because it has half the amount of power. What you're really trying to do is keep that motion going so that you have consistency and you're playing on a downbeat. Going from singles to doubles, you'll notice the transition actually is going to cause your heels to drop because naturally that's just what the technique calls for. Let me show you what I mean. Just watch the foot cam down here. Let me show you a demonstration at 230 BPM and 250 BPM. Let's go. Now, when it comes to playing double strokes on your kick drums, don't feel constrained. Feel free to explore. Obviously, you can play in triplets. Or you could do like some cool triplet stuff to play along with what your guitar player is doing if he's chugging. Dun, 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 dun. lot of guys seem to tend to want to lean forward like this so they can put more pressure on their legs and their feet. But you're going to notice that over time, you're just going to develop some really bad habits and your back's going to be curved and it's not going to be very good for your posture behind the drum set. So when you're practicing this, be sure to keep an upright angle on your body. You don't want to be obviously too far back, too far forward. And that's something you're very aware of when you're playing single strokes even. But you'll notice when you really try and dig into these pedals, you're really going to want to lean forward and try and apply more pressures. Do keep that in mind when you're going through the journey of learning double strokes on double kick so that you don't cause any injuries further on down the road so you can keep drumming for the rest of your life. If you want to learn more about double bass and double bass drumming, then I'll put a playlist up here so you can learn more about that. Don't forget to download your free guide in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. My name's Fleury. See you in the next video.